Hi, I'm Lynn.
Hello, I'm Thomas, and this is the Chattanooga Public Library.
We are the nature team, and we're here to talk about bird songs today. Welcome to our game, Who's Tweeting Now? We have our contestants. Are you ready?
Yay!
And our hint giver.
I am ready.
Round one.
So I'm gonna guess which bird made that sound.
A or B?
I don't have any idea which bird would make that sound, but I'm gonna guess. I think the bird on the right, the bee bird, looks like it is bigger. I have no idea if that is true or not. So that sounded like a little bird noise to me, so I'm gonna go with A.
Okay, let's see.
Yeah.
You are correct, the American robin. Woohoo!
It's completely bad science, I'm sure. But it was like, that one looks little.
Okay, number two. Any guess?
I think that sounds like an owl, and I think that the bee bird might be a pigeon, but I don't know. Are these all birds that I would see here in Chattanooga?
I think there's only one in this quiz that you probably wouldn't see in Chattanooga out in the wild.
Okay. I'm going to guess that one is bird A. That one was so tricky. It sounded just like it was saying who. And that is not a pigeon.
It's a mourning dove. It goes, oh no, 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 no. That's what it sounds like.
It's really sad. Okay. Whoa, that's crazy. It really did sound like it was saying hoo. Good one. That was a good tricky one.
That was tricky. I didn't even mean that. I'm sorry.
I loved it. No, it was awesome.
Okay, number three.
Based on the last hint where there might be one that's not out in Chattanooga's wildlife areas, I'm guessing that would maybe be the ostrich. I have never heard an ostrich noise. Those other birds look like maybe they're swans or geese. Is this like the spelling bee where I can be like, could you repeat that, please?
You can repeat.
Okay. I'm gonna guess it's A, because it sounded a little bit like they were kind of honking at each other, but I don't have a really. Oh! Yes!
You're right.
You're right.
Yay! I got that one.
Trumpeter Swan.
Good job.
That's super cool.
It's a tricky one.
I'm guessing that is also a bird I would not see out in the wild in Chattanooga. I like that blackbird. I don't know what kind of bird that is. Is it a crow or a raven? But I like it. I like that blackbird. I'm gonna say A.
Are you sure?
No. Really?
Yes, good job.
Oh, raven. So that's the Edgar Allan Poe bird, right? The Nevermore.
Very smart. Okay. Round 2.
Oh my gosh, I don't know if I can do a round 2. Round 1 was tricky.
You're doing great.
I'll give you hints along the way.
I mean, I'm gonna use the same logic I used on that robin and be like, that sounds like a little bird. And I can't, I mean, I would imagine that an ostrich would have a big sound. So I'm gonna say B.
This is the most dinosaur-like bird.
I can't, that ostrich had that tiny sound. Would you play it again?
They make little clicks and chirps.
Yes. I would have assumed it would have been really honk honk or like a squawk or something. Anyway, okay, cool. I'm terrible at this game. Okay, I'm gonna guess because I think I remember that blue jays can be kind of swoopy and kind of at you. I'm gonna go with A because it's kind of a little mad.
Good job.
I just love the reasons for your guessing.
All right, super, super scientific.
Maybe.
I'll give you a hint. It's a very knowledgeable bird.
So it's kind of spooky. I was gonna go with spooky, and so I was gonna say owl, but also like it kind of sounded like it was, I don't know, like the word whippoorwill. Kind of, I could make myself believe I was hearing that, but I'm gonna go with B, based on my hint.
Yeah.
There you go.
That's the name of the sweet little owl we saw before.
Mm-hmm.
I love him.
So cute.
I love him. He's very cute.
This is very common around this area too. Well, not super common, but they sound really creepy at night.
I mean, I can believe that.
Like
That and a
ghosts.
fox would make you not leave your tent.
Okay, round 3.
Right. That sounds a little bit like clucky, like a chicken, but also I know that peacocks are weird sounding birds too. Can I hear it again? Little gobbler?
This is found in the wild in Tennessee.
What did you say, Lynn?
A turkey? I'm gonna watch it.
Job.
I'm running away if I hear that. That sounds like it's gonna swoop down and snatch me up. That sounds like a hunting bird. Like I'm gonna guess a hawk or something. Yeah.
Red-tailed hawk.
Yes. But it does sound like it's coming for you. Don't be a mouse
They do
in
sound
that
scary.
situation.
Okay.
This is my favorite bird. It's nighttime bird that can only really be found out in the country.
I mean, I think you could put it on a loop and make a dance song out of it.
Would be a good one.
It is.
I'm just gonna make a wild guess based on some of the names we've seen already. Could that be a whippoorwill? Because it kind of sounded like that was what it was saying. Would you play it again? Yes! So that little fluffy kind of fat bird from the beginning is a whippoorwill. It's so cute. And it makes that cute noise.
They usually nest on the ground and they blend in so well.
Wonder why they nest on the ground. That seems like
And they have like camouflaged eggs. The eggs look like little rocks.
so how
But they have huge mouths. They're called like nightingales, nighthawks family.
I can see that little hawk, it has that kind of a hawk face, but it seems like putting your nest on the ground with your eggs looking like rocks is a bad idea.
Yeah.
But maybe other animals, it's a bad idea if there are humans stomping around, but other animals would just see a rock and not want to eat the babies. So that's probably a really good plan when humans are not involved.
Right.
Very true.
That bird is adorable.
It is. It is very cute to watch.
Its song is my favorite.
Woohoo!
We win. I hope everyone had fun playing the bird guessing game. These are all birds that you can see here around town in Chattanooga or around the state. Oh, except for the ostrich, of course. That you can probably see in the zoo, or if you live at a farm that happens to have one. But go out, explore, look for birds, listen to what they sound like, and have fun. Wear a mask.
Thank you so much. You guys did a great job putting things together. You guys are all so smart and so cool. Thank you. I learned so much. I didn't even think I liked birds. There were a couple that I thought were really amazing. So I've learned something and learned I liked something new. And if you guys have out there watching, have any adventures out where you can identify or hear some birds, you can record that and post that on our social media feeds and catch us on, tag us on Instagram or Facebook, and we'll see you soon. Happy summer. Bye.
Bye.